Up for sale, I got a 1999 Pontiac Trans Am WS6, 6-speed manual, triple white, white paint, white interior, white convertible top, one of 22 from the factory that came with a triple white WS6 6-speed package. We're going to walk around and tell you a little bit more about the car, show you the, two flaws that are on the car. We'll fire it up and we'll drive it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. So like I said, it's a one of 22 triple white convertibles, Trans Am WS6 option. There are only 2 flaws on the car. It's 74,400 miles, but it's in cream puff condition, not like not beat up and misused like a higher mile car is. Previously owned by a friend of ours who owned it since 2009. He only put 5,000 miles on it since then. It's a 5-owner, clean Carfax, no accident report, no tamper, not messed with, not abused, not chopped up, not taken apart. All original. Like I said, it's the WS6 package. We have the window sticker for this that will be included. This car from the factory cost $35,000 or $36,000, so think about that. 20 years ago, this was a $35,000, $36,000 car. Cars sometimes don't even cost that today. It is 74,400 miles, 6-speed manual trans. Everything works on the car. It does not need anything. Not at all. Excellent interior, very clean. There's a crack on that side I'll show you, and then the other chip is a little chip in the paint right there, like one of the layers. Other than that, there are no other flaws. Again, not chopped up. Owned since 2009 by a friend of ours, left in a heated garage non-stop, only put 5,000 miles on it. Doesn't need a thing. It is in cream puff-like condition, especially for being 74,000 miles. There we go, WS Performance Package. I know I'm moving through the video quickly, but, you know, there's not too much I can go on and on about. And there's that crack. It looks like, over time, it's cheap plastic. You know how cars became after a while. Door jambs are excellent. The dash has no cracks in it. Not a one. Again, excellent leather seats. Both bucket seats. The rear seats as well are in excellent condition. Convertible top is great. Carpet's excellent. There's no fading. The original factory mats are great. They're not even dirty. It has been well taken care of and treated like a collectible by all 5 of its owners, especially the most recent one. Glass is excellent. Paint is excellent. So like I said, we're going to fire it up and then drive it. If you are interested, reach out to us. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. I have pictures of the engine, all the pictures of the car on the ad, eBay store, and my website, Next Gen Classic Cars, will be in the video. A link of the video, so you can go down there, click on it, check it out. It'll be for sale today or tomorrow. And thank you. Here we go.